Turn your workshop into a production woodworking house with this Delta 13 inches portable planer. Celebrating its 100th anniversary, Delta is proud of its heritage serving woodworkers, cabinet shops, and serious craftsmen for 100 years. Introducing the newest Delta planer that is fully featured to provide furniture-grade finishes, fast and accurate operations in an affordable portable planer. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Material Removal Gauge. Full Width Material Removal Gauge indicates the amount of material being removed with each pass across the entire width of the material, allowing the user to utilize the entire width of the cutter head. Number 2. Depth Stop. Adjustable depth stop for accurate and repeatable cutting depth. Number 3. Delta Design 3-knife cutter head delivers an ultra-smooth finish and up to 3 times longer blade life than competitive 3-knife planers. Number 4. Snipe Reduction System features a patented cutter head lock system and best-in-class in-feed, out-feed tables to minimize snipe and reduce waste. Number 5. High-speed steel. Indexed, double-sided knives provide 2x blade life and allow for quick blade changes. Number 6. Oversized Cutterhead height adjustment handle with indexing ring provides easy macro and micro cutterhead adjustments. Number 7. Powerful 15-amp 120 volts motor powers the cutterhead and feed system through the most demanding hardwoods. Number 8. High-efficiency 4 inches dust port removes dust chips and debris away from the cutter head when used with a dust collector. Number 9. Awesome finish. 3-blade cutter head offer excellent knife life and a superior, smooth finish. This design reduces noise and vibration while also reducing tear out in figured or wild grain lumber. The 3-blade system generates 30,000 cuts per minute at a feed rate of 26 feet per minute for an awesome finish. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.